Did you know that one of Islam's greatest heroes was once Mecca's most fashionable young man? Musab ibn Umair turned heads wherever he walked. His silk robes caught the light. His perfumes filled the air. People whispered about his wealth, his style, his perfect life. Then he heard the message of Islam. Everything changed overnight. His own mother, who had spoiled him with riches, cut him off completely. The silk robes became rags. The perfumes disappeared. The wealth vanished. But something else grew in its place. The Prophet sent him as Islam's first ambassador to Medina. This former fashion icon, now dressed in simple cloth, won over an entire tribe through his gentle character alone. At the Battle of Uhud, Musab made his final choice. He died defending the Prophet's banner, his body so thin from years of sacrifice that his burial shroud couldn't cover him completely. The same hands that once wore golden rings now clutched a tattered flag. He traded his silk for paradise, and the angels knew which was more beautiful.